Hi everyone, welcome back to your channel name. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most popular hatchbacks in the market, the Ford Figo. Is it still a great buy? Let's find out. The Ford Figo has always been known for its sporty look, and this latest model does not disappoint. Check out the bold front grille, sleek headlamps, and these stylish alloy wheels. Headlights and DRLs, these swept-back headlamps give it a premium feel. Grille and bumpers, the signature Ford grille makes it stand out in traffic. Side and rear view, the sharp creases along the side and the clean rear design add to its charm. Now, stepping inside, the first thing you notice is how premium it feels. The fit and finish are top-notch. Infotainment system, it comes with a touchscreen infotainment system with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, super handy for modern drivers. Steering and controls, the flat-bottom steering wheel gives a sporty vibe, and we have audio controls here. Comfort and space, the seats are well cushioned, and there's decent space for both front and rear passengers. Boot space, with mentioned boot capacity, it can fit your weekend luggage easily. Engine options, the Figo comes with a peppy petrol engine and a torquey diesel option, both offering a fun driving experience. Ride and handling, Ford cars are known for their handling, and the Figo delivers. The suspension is well balanced for city and highway driving. Mileage and efficiency, you can expect around depending on driving conditions. Safety is a priority, and the Ford Figo comes with some great features. Airbags, it offers up to 6 airbags, one of the best in the segment. ABS and EBD, standard across all variants, ensuring better braking control. Other features, it also comes with rear parking sensors, a camera, and an anti-theft system. Price and variance, with prices starting at mention price, it's a solid value for money hatchback. Pros, great driving dynamics, safety, and Ford's build quality. Cons, Ford's service network is not as widespread as some competitors. If you want a fun-to-drive, safe, and stylish hatchback, the Ford Figo is definitely worth considering. That's it for today's review. What do you think about the Ford Figo? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more car reviews. See you in the next video.